Hello beautiful people, welcome back to this kitchen. In today's video I will be showing you how I prepare this mouth-watering delicious okra soup. Let's get started. So guys, these are the ingredients I will be using. In here I have my salt, 2 seasoning cubes, my palm oil, my chicken, my carrot fruits, some prawns, gizzard, grounded tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper and onions. I will be using some fried fish. I have my roasted beef and of course the main ingredient, my okra. So first is to slice my okra. And guys, there are so many ways of slicing okra. This is my favorite way. As you can see guys, my okra is ready. Next is to boil my proteins with salt and seasoning. So after about 5 minutes, I take out my gizzard. Then leave the rest of my proteins to cook a little bit longer. So guys, I cut my gizzard into little pieces. And this gizzard is half done because I love the crunchy sound when eating it inside my okra soup. That is ready. I set aside, heat up my palm oil, add my blended tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper and onion, leave to fry, then add my seasoning cube and my prawn. I stir and fry for a while. Then add my sliced okra. I mix it together and stir it properly to avoid it from getting burnt. Then add my protein stock, turn it together and leave it to cook for some time. So after about 8 minutes, I add my sliced gizzard and my proteins. I stir it together properly, then leave to cook for a few minutes. By the time my okra soup was almost ready, I add my fried fish, turn it together and leave it for a few seconds. As you can see guys, my mouth-watering delicious okra soup is ready. The aroma is so inviting and tastes so good. As per always guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not. Feel free to share and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.